Okay guys, so I'm pretty hungover right now, and the sun's out, so we should all be celebrating. Blue sky and sun. It's still really cold, and today's not going to be about the 370 or the smart car. It's actually going to be about the Evo 8, which Jamie owns. We're going to do something on Jamie's car, and it's going to be fun. So if you guys want to find out how to put aftermarket seats into your vehicle, it all pretty much follows. You have this sort of frame that you need to bolt down onto your own car brackets. Just watch the video and find out. If you guys want to know, I'll leave a detailed description in the description of how you guys go ahead and do this. Okay, so rather than me just stand here gibber jabber, actually no, I want to say something. Just another little heads up, if you guys want a reloaded sticker, they look like this. Well, all you need to do is like the video, be a subscriber, and then just leave a comment down below saying that you've done everything I've just said. And then what I'm going to do is I'll message you, get your address. I have like 18, 20 of these left to give away, so just ask for one. And you can be part of the Reloaded family, and it'll be just a harmonious, beautiful experience. So if that's what you want to do, I'll leave all this stuff in the description. My hangover is currently making me feel like I'm going to vomit, so let's just crack straight on, because I feel... Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching. This video might have been a bit shorter than we normally do. The truth is, filming inside a car when it's like -3 degrees outside, no matter how sunny and blue skies is, it was all a lie. I came out wearing a t-shirt, Jamie had shorts on. That wasn't a good start. So we bumped into a couple of things, mainly the fact that we didn't have custom made rails. Now you can buy those. You just pretty much search for the seats that you're putting in, you search for your model of your car, and you can buy custom made rails that will fit straight away, whereas these were kind of, they were custom, just more custom than it should have been, kinda. Hopefully you guys completely agree those seats inside the Evo look, oh, they look something special, absolutely, compared to these old things. What we'll do is we'll leave a how-to in the description, so if you guys are thinking, you know, I do want to fit custom seats and I've got some here and this is what I want to do, check it out down below. There's plenty of information down there for you to check out, and Jamie wrote it himself, and he's definitely more of a mechanical guy than I am. As for these seats, I believe they're going to head further on in their life into an Astra van, which, it's an Astra van, it could only make it better, surely. So just so you guys remember, the Reloaded stickers, we have about 18 to 20 of those stickers left. If you want one, they are completely free. It'd be awesome, because you guys do watch the videos, and the extra subscribers and the view counts we're getting on the videos is really encouraging us to pretty much come out here in the Arctic condition and keep making videos for you. And I'm pretty sure you guys appreciate it, so I just want to pass that back to you lot. If you're in America, bear it in mind I'm in the United Kingdom, so it will take absolutely ages to arrive to you, but at one point you'll get a letter through, you'll be like, I know who this is from, I am now part of the Reloaded family. Wow, it's going to be so good to see all the pictures, and I'll be featuring those pictures on the end clips, so you can see your own car on one of the videos, which would be pretty cool. Okay guys, so as always, 2 videos. Check those out. I'm pretty sure this is the coldest I've ever been, like I can't feel my hands. Oh. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already and that's something you're into. You want to see more of my beautiful face and Jamie's wacky hands. You can't go wrong. Like the video if you liked it. Dislike it if you think we could do something better, but make sure you leave a comment down below giving us some suggestions. We love it when people tell us what to do, kinda. So yeah, awesome, and I will see you on Wash Wednesday. Peace! Is it filming?
Yeah.
Why?
Because it's funny.
we're going to end up wasting the battery.
So fucking sunny.